Feel the burn. Understanding thigh burn in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that you might have heard at the gym, during a workout, or just in casual conversation. We're talking about thigh burn. This term may sound a bit strange, but by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it in context. So, let's get started and feel the burn. The thigh burn. That is. When we break down the phrase, thigh burn, we are dealing with two words, thigh, which is the part of the leg between the hip and the knee, and burn, which in this context refers to a burning sensation. When combined, the term literally refers to a feeling of heat or burning in the muscles of the thigh. This sensation is commonly experienced during intense physical activity, especially exercises like squats, lunges, or running, which heavily involve the thigh muscles. In a more figurative sense, thigh burn can be used to describe any intense or burning sensation in the thigh, even if it's not from exercise. It can also be a metaphor for hard work or effort in a task or challenge. For example, someone might say they're feeling the thigh burn after a day of intense physical labor or even after a challenging situation that has nothing to do with physical activity. How can you use thigh burn when speaking English? It's quite simple. If you've been exercising and want to describe the sensation in your legs, you can say, "I can really feel the thigh burn after that workout." Or, if you want to express that you've been working hard on something, you might metaphorically say, "I'm definitely feeling the thigh burn from all this studying." And there you have it, a complete understanding of the phrase, thigh burn. Whether you're hitting the gym or just looking to add some new expressions to your English vocabulary, this term is a great addition. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use thigh burn confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to feel the burn, both literally and figuratively. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.